So I'd like to formally open this meeting and welcome to the 2022 ISHW. So, thank you. My name is David Gates. I'm the chair of the International Program Committee for the Stellarator Workshop here in Warsaw. It's been a real honor to be part of this and to organize this conference. I'm really excited about the program we have. We have 29 invited talks, and it's just really exciting to see how far Stellarators have come in the last couple of years.
Factors of 10 to 100 larger than neoclassical expected ones and are only one of one square.
Your gas path is switched on.
Gas ions going to the detector. Now we have to scale the ASCAD data by about a factor of 4.
Yeah, but I mean, this is exactly this is the inverse aspect ratio here in the formula. Yeah.
And this is the anomalous component electron thermal diffusivities. And you can look standard configurations.
For the case of pressure gravity driven mode and also for the Weyingen mode, and finally some conclusional discussion.
On the top, these two figures shows the
helium content will increase, but this will find an equilibrium solution eventually.
Also, complex 3D coils are costly to build, and they require typically precise fabrication tolerances.
Spatial phase, time phase, which can be written in this way.
The special function that we showed earlier in the last slide, doing just before the saturation time.
And its accurate and low collisionalities has been benchmarked against the standard code decays.
So you might be wondering, why do we need another Stellarator optimization code? Well, we want to better understand the solution space of Stellarator equilibria. So instead of
with different plasma beta stress here, giving you.
So what we've done is we've taken this main solver routine in Stroll, and we've kind of translated it into Python.
So we utilize the same boron carbide material as injected in W7X.
There's also the trapped electron mode, the TEM, which is...
I know that linear instability is largely irrelevant in fluids.
And in first approximation, we can take the easiest possible equation we can think of, that is a continuity equation.
And it bounces back, which could be seen in the plot for blue diagram.
And so if we now plot again, cross sections of the pressure profile as a function of radial position for a few different time slices.
Just make one comment, which is that if you look at low-end modes, particularly interesting problem would be to look at higher-end modes, which I know you know, because that is where a distinction between what happens in tokamaks and Stellarator will become more evident.
Okay, good morning. So I am a PhD student at Siemens, and I have simulated the turbulent heat flux as a function of density gradient.
Another possible explanation is the dispersion relation linear properties of the kinetic ballooning mode, which in contrast to ITG.
What we think is going on, and there's still a lot that we're trying to figure out. I mean, it's a whole complex thing using lithium.
You can see on the left the trajectory, and on the right again the density and the temperature profiles before.
And the transportation of fuel does not need special arrangement,
we can select two flux tubes which go through the Stellarator selected points. You can see.
So, this case, the radial mode structure is a very
We'll open up now for questions. The International Stellarator and Heliotron Workshop provides a really great opportunity for scientists to come together from multiple institutions, compare our results, and sort of disseminate what we're doing. The time already spent here, we've come up with new experiments we want to conduct on machines to compare our results and better understand the fundamental physics that's going to lead us towards a future fusion energy reactor.
We're at the International Stellarator and Heliotron Workshop
in Warsaw. It's 2022, post-COVID. And yeah, I mean, it has been a very interesting conference with a lot of collaborations. It's also nice to be back to an in-person conference, and Warsaw, it's a very nice city and there are a lot of things to do. And yeah, also the space for the conferences have been really nice. There is this big room for the plenary talks where we can all get together and have a good view of the slides, which is always nice. It's always useful. And yeah, right now we're also on the poster session where you have a small room where you can all discuss important things about small projects.
ISHW conference, and actually my first conference that I've been to physically as a graduate student. It's been really great to actually physically meet collaborators and be able to sort of discuss in person, not over Zoom, all these topics, and it's really great to kind of put faces to names that I've been working with over these past couple years.
I would definitely say that for the past 2 years, conferences have been either cancelled or held remotely. It's been a great pleasure and a privilege to finally see all the people we're working with here at the conference. It's definitely nice to present the work that we've been doing for the past 2 years and to see feedback, real feedback on people's faces. I also think that the facilities here at the Copernicus Center are outstanding. The view of the river from the conference hall is great, and our organizers did a tremendous job.
So, ladies and gentlemen, dear participants, it's time to summarize our workshop. So, a little statistics. So the total number of participants, we counted 134.
Very much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to address you. I hope you all had a good time here in Poland, in Warsaw. Thank you very much for coming.
So we have almost finished the workshop, and I'm very happy that so many participants decided to come in person to Warsaw. Moreover, there were also possibilities to participate remotely, just in case. We enjoyed great talks and poster sessions. I think that IPPLM as an organizer managed to accomplish the task. I hope that all participants met the expectation and they will have fond memories from Warsaw. I'm looking forward to the next workshop, which will be in 2 years in Japan.